Presenting the 2008 Toyota Prius. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are ABS, cruise control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, cloth seats, driver vanity mirror, keyless entry, temporary spare tire, and front reading lamps. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.